Enabling two-factor authentication on your Splitit account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or security settings section, usually found in your profile menu. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA and click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app like Google Authenticator. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, including entering the verification code sent to you. Make sure to save your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Splitit account, enhancing your security.